Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Gearstone fitness walker. The model is CS-WP2. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description, and if you use that link it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this is a sort of treadmill type device. It's like a walking treadmill. On the box it says the gross weight is 62 pounds, around 62 pounds, and the net weight is 52 pounds. So it's not super lightweight, but I'm guessing it's a lot lighter than a traditional treadmill. So let's get it open. Here we have the product manual. Let's take a quick look at it. So this talks about how to contact them if you have a problem. Has some notes here, and you'll want to read through this on your own. I'm not covering everything. It comes with the fitness walker, remote control, power cord, instructions, warranty card, hex key, and silicone oil. And here are some specs. You can pause and read through those. Maximum power on this is 550 watts. Speed range is 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour. Max capacity is 265. Here's a diagram. Shows the different parts. This talks about how to assemble it. So it looks like you mostly just take it out of the package and set it on flat ground. It says turn on the switch at the bottom of the right front of the treadmill. Here are the instructions. It says remote start stop, speed increase decrease. It has Bluetooth music, so it looks like it has a Bluetooth speaker. So it looks like the remote has a start stop button and a speed decrease and increase. The Bluetooth is called Max Free. This looks like it talks about some warm-up exercises, some stretches. This talks about adjusting the belt. This talks about lubricating it. The oil is a methyl silicone oil. It says if the use time is less than 3 hours per week, lubricate once every 5 months. If you use it 4 to 7 hours a week, lubricate every 2 months. Weekly use is more than 7 hours, 1 lubrication per month. Do not over lubricate. I'm guessing they're saying that because lubrication could cause it to collect dust and dirt. Here are the error codes, and this bag also has that hex key. So let me finish getting this out. So the oil was under it in the box and it's taped to the box. The cord seems to be a little bit under 6 foot. So let me plug this in. Looks like there's a plastic film over this whole thing. So here's the remote. It has a little holder for it. It has a tab to pull out to activate it. Like so. Let's see what it has in here. So it has a CR2450 battery. So I think this is the only way to control it. So you probably would want to have extra batteries on hand in case it dies. So there's this red label here, and that's telling us to power it on with the switch. So the switch is right under that. It points us right to it. Okay, it looks like it's on. Let's power it on. Okay, so it's moving. I'll increase the speed. So now we're at 1 mile per hour. I'll take it up all the way. So that's all the way. Now this definitely makes some noise. It's not super quiet by any means. It's a lot quieter at the slow speed. Let's turn it off. So I'll press the power button. It's going to stop. So let me try it out. Okay, I'd say that was fairly easy to use. Let's take a little close-up of some of the parts. So it does have this foam here, so you could lean it up against a wall. This would go down and cushion it. Here's the screen. Now I do have the protective plastic on it. Let me pull that off. There we go. Let me turn it on. So you can see what that looks like up close. And then the remote will go right in here. Here is the other end. Now there are adjustment screws in here and in here for adjusting the tracking on this. And this is the texture of the part that you run on. So this is pretty hefty. So I'm guessing most people will want a dedicated place to put this. You could potentially move it around, but at 52 pounds, it's not super lightweight. Here's a look at the bottom. So this is the front, and it has some wheels here. It has kind of a soft compound on it. And here you can see the track you run on. If you had a really thick pile of carpet, it seems like it could actually touch that on the bottom side. So you might want to, say, put a board under it. And there's the switch. And it's pretty straightforward to the other end. So that's the Gearstone CS-WP2 fitness walker. I just wanted to do a little unboxing video to see what it was like unboxing this and setting it up. And I'll say it was relatively easy. You do have to lift the weight. But aside from that, there's not really a lot of assembly or anything. You just peel the plastic off and turn it on. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.